Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to slim your face in the Face app in 2026. Do you want a slimmer face in your photos? The Face app can help you refine your look easily. So let's see exactly how to do that by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the FaceApp application on your mobile device. You're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the FaceApp Perfect Face Editor. Once you find this is the one developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Once you find this, you're gonna click on Install and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're gonna launch the app. Once you launch the app, make sure to grant it a permission to access your gallery and camera in order to be access to your photos here. And here it will display all the photos with a clear face in them. You're gonna upload a photo either from your gallery or from you can take instant one by using your camera. Now after that, go to the face editing section. This means the sizes. You're gonna see the sizes here. You're gonna go from this toolbar and choose the sizes section. And here you're gonna see big face. Here you're gonna see big face, small face. So if you want to slim your face, you're gonna click on small face here. And as you can see, this effect requires a premium subscription. So you're gonna have to pay for the premium version of FaceApp in order to be able to use this face filter. Now once you pay for it, you're gonna be able to apply this filter to your photo. Then you're gonna have your slim face. Now you can also adjust the intensity on levels and apply and save. Now face slimming can enhance your look when used carefully. Try it with the Face app for best results. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.